So this method can also work when we're multiplying decimals. So let's do another example where we're looking at some decimal values. We set everything up the same way. So let's do a 3-digit. So 18 and 2/10 multiplied by 9 and 7/10. Let's say that. I look at this the same way and set it up the same way. I still have 3 digits, so I still need a 3 boxes across and 2 boxes down. 18.2, 9.7. I'm going to fill everything in just like I did before. And this is why we love grid paper. It helps keep everything nice and organized. Now here's the cool thing when we do decimals. You can figure out where the decimal place goes by using this lattice system. So I'm going to track this decimal down, and I'm going to track this decimal over. So they're meeting at this center point. Whichever diagonal they fall to, or connect with, I should say, we're going to follow that, and that's where our decimal is going to go in our answer. So let's try this out and see if we can figure it out. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 7 is 14. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 7 is 56. 1 times 9 is 9. 0 there. 1 times 7 is 7. 0 there. All right, now we're going to do what we did last time. So here are my diagonals. So this is a 4. We have 8 plus 1, which is 9, plus 6, which is 15. Carry the 1. So then here's this diagonal. I'm going to highlight it just so I don't get confused. Okay, I'm going to go in slightly different order. 7 plus 2 plus 1 gives me 10 altogether. Plus 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. So here's my 6, carry my 1 to this column. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus the 7 is 17. There's my 7, carry my 1, and then there's just 1. Okay, so my decimal should go here between the 6 and the 5. So when I rewrite my answer, 176 and 54 hundredths, this makes sense to us. If we go back and we estimate, let's just do this with a rounded number. 18.2, let's round this all the way up to 20. 9.7, let's round this to 10. Okay, 20 times 10 is 200. This is relatively close to 200, and we expect it to be slightly less because both of these numbers are slightly less. So this makes a lot of sense. So you can use this method for decimals as well.